Good morning, guys. It's morning of day 3. Gonna have to get up and start packing. Got Brick still sleeping. And I have no idea where Camille is. Oh, there he is. He's coming in. It's absolutely boiling. Had to open up the vents because it is so hot this morning. Breakfast going. Got juice, pastet, shot in a soul. Camille's got coffee. We got kielbasas going on the grill for Bricko. And we got fruits. And just like that, all of the stuff is gone from the tent. And now we gotta dry the tent out because it rained overnight and there's little puddles here and there. But yeah, we got my stuff and Camille's bag over here. Got Camille and his sleeping stuff over there. And then we got Brick over there chilling. Just like that, we're all packed up and ready to go. All right, boys, what do we think for the camping trip?
Fucking banger of a trip, boys. I loved it, every second of it.
Brick?
Best trip?
He's all squished back there.
Brick, best trip?
Good trip.
Good trip? Nice.
First camping experience, fucking awesome. Definitely gonna do it again.
Hell yeah.
Quick pit stop in Madison, Wisconsin. We got ice cream sandwiches going with the boys.
I did, but I ate it.
Brick, how much you got left? He's got a bit left.
I think Brick's eating that shit like, look, it looks like a poop. Yummo. nice poop.
I'm going to university.
Oh,
Madison, Wisconsin.
Go to uni, get some education.
Explore a bit and then go home. Alright guys, we made it to University of Wisconsin-Madison, as you can see from the background. Look at this. This is the gymnasium. Looks dope. This looks like it's like the common square. You got science hall down there. We got Camille walking around up there. I'm over here with Brick. It's a cool church down there. Yeah, we're just gonna explore a bit and see what cool things we find. First stop, we're dropping Brick off. Bye, Brick.
They made.
Alright, see you, man. Thank you. Have a good one.